What's up guys, it's Wubny here, and in today's video I'm going to be opening a mystery box. I was supposed to be opening this with my duo, but he ended up having to leave early. And this is from the same person that I bought the $50 mystery box from, but this is actually a $100 mystery box. And I'm filming this after actually recording it before editing, and I just want to say that I am very surprised. It was much better than the $50 box. But anyway, I'm about to head to work, so let's go ahead and get into the video. So guys, I ran into some complications. I don't know where my tripod is, my duo had to leave early. So you're being held up by a pile of envelopes leaned against a shoe. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the box. So because of the complications with the whole tripod situation, it may be a little harder to see some of the items. So I'm gonna try my best to hold them up, but I'm also just gonna show you them once I open the box. So this is by the same person I bought the $50 box from, but I instead bought a $100 box. It was supposed to be a special with my duo, but he had to leave early. So we're gonna see what's in here. Just opening it up. You guys are gonna see my first reaction, just like the other one. I'm planning to do some other can we flip it videos. Sorry, I hit the envelopes. Some other can we flip it videos. I don't know what else I can do besides mystery boxes, so we'll end up figuring that out in the future. But box. That's what it looks like. There was a little bit of rattling in there, so I don't know what'll be in here. But we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay, so, well, I'm sorry guys, this tripod situation is kind of new to me. We're starting it off with some amiibo. It's kind of cool, brand new. Don't know too much about these, don't know what they'd be worth. I'll end up tallying them up either before or after work, because I'm now a sales associate at 7-Eleven. Let's go ahead and put these here. Next, we have a Dreamcast game, is what it looks like. Official Sega Dreamcast magazine. Looks pretty cool, I guess. Okay, don't know too much about that either. The other shoe, the one I'm holding up. But alright, next we got PlayStation video previews. Interesting. We have another book, just like last time. We had, I think, 3 magazines last time. Computes Nintendo secrets, so this looks kind of cool, I guess. It's like a few secrets about Nintendo. Looks kind of cool, don't know what they're worth. Once again, if it's something cool, I might keep it, but I'm probably gonna see if I can flip most of this stuff. Billy the Wizard, Rocket Broomstick Racing. It does have the manual. That's what it looks like. Scratches on it. Game seems brand new. There's no scratches on it. None. So this game is basically perfect. So hopefully this is worth a little bit of something. Great. Much greater start than the other box I had. Sega Genesis Sonic Spinball. It has. Is this the manual? I'm not sure about the older stuff. It seems maybe a little bit of a poster, but it's kind of ripped. But here it is. Let's see. Cartridge. Shake's not sure if that's normal. I could probably fix that, no issue. Hopefully this game's worth some money. It's a Sega Genesis Sonic game. So, with the case and the poster manual, so hopefully it's worth a little bit of something. Okay. An NES system. There's no way it's a system. I doubt that. Let's go ahead and open it up. Maybe it is. Is this brand new? Retro Entertainment System, Retrobit NES games. So I don't think it's an NES, but it has NES games, and it looks brand new. Hopefully that's worth a little bit of something. I spent $100 already, because compared to the one I spent $50 on. This one, even if if there's not as much money to be made, it already looks great. It looks a lot better than the $50 box. All right, so let's take a look at these games first. So. Iron Tank, The Invasion of Normandy. Looks to be in pretty good condition. Don't know if any of these are worth anything. Last time in the $50 box, these are basically all junk. They're like $1.57 a piece. But, okay. So, Super Team Games. Power pad required. This is what this one looks like. pretty cool. You know what it is. That's a disc game. Put the disc over here. Gyro mic, Nintendo. Looks kind of cool. Once again, last time all the games like this were worth like $1.57 max plus shipping, and it really wasn't worth it. But hopefully the next game after this one is worth something. So we have Castlevania 2, Simon's Quest. I've actually heard of this game, so hopefully that means it's worth something. But the game I hope is worth something is this right here. So we have Super Mario Bros. Any Mario thing is worth money. So there's some writing on it. JCP? I don't know. But hopefully this one's worth something. If some of these end up actually being worth something, I'm gonna have to buy a system to test them. Those are all those. Next we have the Super Nintendo Animaniacs. Right here. Seems to be in decent condition. Seems a little loose. I don't know if it's supposed to be a little loose or maybe just because it's older, but it's also writing on it. The cartridge itself seems a little loose. You can hear it. And then I believe this is the last cartridge game. We have 2 DS games in here. Cool. But then we have Sega Genesis, Sonic, some sort of Sonic. Not sure. 2 is what it looks like. I'm unsure. Yeah, it looks like Sonic 2. Sonic 2. So we have Sonic 2 cartridge for the Sega Genesis. Then we can go ahead. Let's go ahead and do these DS games. Spider-Man. This is the Spider-Man I played as a kid. This was a great game, actually. Spider-Man. And these weren't DS games, I apologize. They are the Game Boy games that I put into the DS. And then Rain of Fire. Yeah, Game Boy games, not DS games. Then we have, there is 5 single discs left, and there are also 3 magazines. So let's read the magazines out first, and then we'll redo the games next. So we have cheat codes you won't find on the internet, tips and tricks. Seems kind of old. Back's a little damaged. Seems to have had some sort of water on it. Like it's just, yeah, look at how the papers look. Seem to have had some sort of water damage. But you know, it's a magazine. Not really too hyped about magazines. So there's only 2 magazines. They're just really thick. Then we have cheat codes out the wazoo, tips and tricks. So it's basically the same thing. Definitely better condition. Is there a date on here? Would be nice if there was a date on here. Originally sold for $5.99, so these probably aren't worth anything. 2006, it's a 2006 magazine, so I guess might be worth something. But now we're on the last 5 single games, so let's start with, we have Project Overkill by Konami for the PS1. Let's see how the disc condition looks. Oh, this is scratched. I doubt y'all be able to see that on the camera. But it is scratched. Like, it is really bad. This one is definitely, there's no way this is gonna play. Absolutely no way this is gonna play. Already thrown in the trash. That's a sports game, but let's go ahead and go over this one first. Tunnel B1 for the PlayStation. Tunnel B1, I think that's what that is. See how the scratches look on it? This one is scratched to hell too. Like, this is scratched. I'm not throwing it in the trash because I might miss this time, so. Alright, next we have NCAA 08 March Madness. Let's see how this looks. Alright. This game, it's playable. Hopefully it's worth something. Most sports games aren't, but I know like there's maybe one or 2 price fluctuated sports games every couple of years, so this case is broken. But then we have Dance Dance Revolution Universe for the Xbox 360. Right, Xbox 360. Let's see how this game is. It's scratched, but it's definitely playable. It's just a bunch of minor scratches, and it honestly looks more like dust than scratches. So this game should hopefully play. I actually have an Xbox 360 to test it. Kingdom Hearts HD 2.5? 5.5? Is that 2.5? Is that it's a remix? It's for PS3. These games is typically decent price. Scratches, not too bad. Definitely been used though. But my overall thoughts on this compared to the $50 box, a lot better. You can see the box is now empty. It's just like part of the broken case in there. But comparing it to the last $50 box from the same people, definitely a huge upgrade. But after I get back from work and I figure out how much I can make, how much profit I can make compared to how much I spent, then I'll just talk about it. But I'll see you guys in a couple hours. So guys, I am actually really lazy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the number on screen. There you go, you guys saw how much money I could potentially make. I know I'm gonna at least break even and make a little bit of profit on this, so I'm not too worried about it. Definitely much better than the $50 box. And I know I've been slacking on the videos a little bit. I'm getting right back into it. My duo was staying for a week, and I wanted to hang out with my friend instead of doing my normal business routine, because I've only seen him twice in my 17 years of life. And I want to just, you know, hang out with the homies. But anyways, guys, back on that video grind. I believe this week it'll be Tuesday and Thursday, and then starting the next week, I should be doing daily uploads again. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching and keep flipping.